Have you ever wanted to see an EAS / analog horror that kind of has like a Walking Dead vibe? Wow, we're going to be checking that out today. This is the Eclipse. Quite a nice intro, isn't it? Very nice. Nice and purple. Woohoo! Oh, alright. Not when you do that. Nebula. Alright. The unknown forces are raiding random countries across the planet. But is the hack real? Hack? Alright. NTV. Should be MTV. Where's Pick My Ride at, bro?
Currently in Stroudsburg, cloudy skies, becoming clear later. The temperature will be 22 degrees at its lowest. The winds are traveling south-southeast at 5 miles per hour.
Well, at least I'm not going to get blown away.
Is 10%.
And no rain. Pretty much, only 10%.
Stroudsburg, mostly sunny. The temperature will be 45 degrees at its
got an
highest.
EAS here.
The winds are traveling southeast at 10 miles per hour.
Oh, coming.
The chance of rain is 0%.
Oh, what we got coming, man? What is the EAS about? My question.
The following message is transmitted. Request of the United States government. This is not a test. Police departments all around the United States have been reporting overwhelming number of
zombies. Wow. All right.
To the ground and transforming after getting exposed by the moon during its maximum lunar eclipse.
Basically, the moon's effing over people, guys. That's what we're talking on.
Minutes of transformation, but look all bloody and pale. About 10 minutes later, these zombies have been seen using incredible speed and strength.
They basically got magic powers then. Oh god.
Just follow these instructions. Seek shelter immediately. Cover all doors.
Very believable though, isn't it, in my opinion?
Windows at all times. Turn off all lights and produce as little noise as possible.
Good idea.
The zombie attack. Keep supplies to last 2 weeks. Keep a gun or a blunt weapon.
And it's quite lucky, really, because in the UK, the guns aren't legal at all. But in the US, at least in some places, they are. So, guess you're lucky, really.
At all times, if a
Go to the UK, you're effed. Yeah.
Shoot or strike them hard in the head, as this is the only way to kill them. The President of the United States will be speaking on the air shortly.
So the only way to kill him is literally by shooting him in the head. That's crazy. Whoa, hi.
People exposed to the moon during its lunar eclipse phase turn into zombies. Give me a break.
I think you might want to believe it, dude.
Did you see that TV hack earlier? National alert. The moon turning people into zombies. You kidding me?
They say that now. Are you kidding me? I mean, I think most people would, but then I guess it's what you believe.
Anyway, I'm on my way now. I'll be there in...
Gonna be there when? 5, 10 minutes? Half an hour? 3 hours? Okay, so we're now in November 18th, 2021 at 10 p.m. Right. This. Right, it's a bit snowy, isn't it? There's the moon. Ooh.
Hey, look, Chris. What's going on with him? What's up?
Oh, I think he's being turned into a zombie, right?
There's something up his ass.
Sorry, I have to stop it. I'm so sorry. This is a great thumbnail, by the way. This has to be a perfect thumbnail, this picture right there. But looks like there's something up his ass. Like what? A snake?
These zombies have been seen falling to the ground and transforming after getting exposed by the moon during its maximum...
So this is in his head, I think. We're going back there.
Oh, no.
There we are.
What's wrong? Remember when I said that I saw that hack on TV earlier? Now I'm starting to think it wasn't a hack. I'm starting to think the moon has turned evil. That's what happened?
Yeah. It has turned evil. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god.
coming through the door.
Whoa, okay. You might want to bat his head, mate, and kill him if I was you. I know it's your friend, but yeah. Oh my god, what a punch!
Get the fuck up! Timmy!
Oh my god. His friend's gonna turn into one now because he's gone outside.
Yes, yes.
Are they gonna hit him? Whoa, what a shot. Oh my god. Oh god, his friend's turned. Oh my god. Friend's just left him as well. The zombie fight friend. Oh no. Gonna kill him? Boom. Nice shot, bro. Oh, definitely Walking Dead vibes, isn't it? Yeah, you might want to do that. You might want to turn the lights off too, though, really. In case more come to you. Bet they don't, though. What's the chances? Like, yeah, whatever. Nice haircut, though, bro. He's effed. God. You're the only one left. God, don't move him. Because you know what happens. If you start moving them, they'll probably wake up and get you. Eventually. I love how he's got a smile on his face, though. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just going to sit down and chill and just watch some TV, bro. Why not? Oh, it's another EAS.
National Information Center statement: the maximum lunar eclipse phase of the moon has ended, and nobody has been seen in transforming into zombies anymore. The
It stopped for
military
now,
has
then, is it?
been deployed
Alright.
all across the United States as well as the rest of the Western Hemisphere.
It's got the military
To
out, haven't they?
exterminate the zombies, do not leave your shelter until an all-clear message has been released. Casualties have been estimated to be in the millions.
Millions?
And
Oh my
many more
god.
are expected due to the ongoing war between the zombies and the humans.
Oh yeah, there will be,
tuned for further updates.
I don't know if I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Do I just go outside and think, F it? Oh god. That was amazing. Oh my god, I actually love that. All I have to say on that acting was on point. That was so good. And it actually was believable in regard that, like, that kind of thing could happen and it would not surprise me in the slightest. So I would definitely go and check out the creator because, yeah. I think they have got a number 2 of this as well, so I might go back and check that out if you guys want that. So let me know in the comments if that is the case. But other than that, guys, if you enjoyed my reaction, consider subscribing and also liking the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Keep it locked.